So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2022 Volkswagen Golf GTI, and this thing features a few different drive modes, and I wanted to take a moment to showcase those modes and just what they change on the vehicle. So how you change between different drive modes is right here in the center console, this mode button. So pushing this pops you into like the drive mode screen with the 4 different bubbles. So Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Custom. So each of those, it quickly disappears if you do not choose an option, but each of those kind of have their own color scheme. So right now I'm in the Eco mode, which is more of like a blue hue. Comfort is red, Sport is red as well, and then Custom is yellow. So obviously they change a lot more than just the color scheme of the digital display. But the best way to display just what each of those options change is going in the custom mode, because then it showcases what vehicle feature it adjusts. So under driving dynamics, basically only the comfort and the sport modes adjust theirs. On steering, the comfort and sport modes are the only ones that are adjusted if you choose those drive modes. Drive chain, the engine response between comfort, sport, and eco. Engine sound, comfort, sport, eco. ACC, comfort, sport, eco. Light assist, comfort, sport. And climate control between comfort and eco. So that kind of gives you an idea of when you're going between eco, comfort, sport without using the custom mode, what each of those modes kind of change between the driving dynamics, steering, engine sound, things like that. Obviously the sport mode is going to be the most performance mode of the vehicle, whereas the eco mode is going to be the most fuel efficient. But you can also pick and choose what you wish in the custom mode. So previous journalists clearly just swapped everything over to the sport section, but you can choose it to be whatever you want. You can kind of have a mix between an eco and a sporty setting. Whatever you want in the vehicle will handle that. I hope you liked this quick video showcasing the different drive modes in the 2022 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Thanks for watching.